Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? Ito yung NRC 2026 National Reptile Competition happen in Festival Mall. Let's check it out. This event happened last weekend, April 18, 19. Napadaan tayo habang we are traveling home from work. So ito yung nadaanan natin na event sa Festival Mall. So it's all about reptiles, mga exotic pets, pero may mga domestic din naman like rabbits, fish, and may rooster pa nga akong nakita eh. Pero most highlight dito is yung mga geckos, snakes, and yung, I forgot what it called like, pero parang little rat na lumilipad. So, sorry if hindi ko matandaan ko anong tawag, pero ayun yung napakaraming like display na binibenta. And I think yun yung isasali sa competition eh. Pati itong mga geckos and snakes. Pero, ayun, as you can see, napaka-raming display ng samot-saring exotic animals and they are for sale. And I don't know kung paano nangyari yung like competition, pero siguro for show din itong mga animals na to. So, ang gaganda rin kung titignan, and it's very interesting na magsimula ng pag-aalaga ng mga animals like this. Pero syempre it's pretty much expensive, and talagang kung magsisimula ka nito, it's dedication kasi it's life eh, yung kailangan mong tutukan na nalagaan. And cute din naman sila kung titignan, like itong mga to. And this fish, napakaganda and colorful nitong mga isda. So ang trip ko sanang simulan is yung snake, pero nakakatakot. Baka kasi mamaya kainin ako. Pero napaka-interesting ng event na ito. And it's really going to open your curiosity. Then meron ding mga fossil. Like, ayan. Professor Stone, check nyo yung page niya. Solid yan, from ambers and all rare finds fossil related. Yan. Then, ito, kita nyo naman tong snake na yan. It's very cool. Napakaganda. Nakakatakot nga lang again. Kasi, syempre, baka mangagat or manuklaw, rather. And at the same time, talagang hindi siya common, typical na inaalagaan eh, di ba? Pero overall, as I said, attending this particular expo will open your curiosity and wonder if kayang mag-alaga ng ganitong klaseng animals. So, ayun lang. Share ko lang. Peace.